I don't know about this one, guys. Look at how wet everything already is. I'm a fair weather rider. What is this? I'm wearing a jacket, so I'm probably gonna get really hot and be sweating my ass off and have to take it off and put it in my backpack. That'll be fun. I'm just gonna chill. Oh man, my face is getting wet. It's so misty.
The goggle is fogging up.
Is this the way we go now? Free ride!
Yeah,
Oh, that's so cool how it's all yellow and stuff over there right now. I love when there's like actually water. Not when I'm in the water, but like...
Alright, Gabe. Gabe, we're going down this right here.
You start right there, see?
Start here, get a running start, and then jump.
I'll let Matt do it.
You can see where they start.
No, it's
No.
No. I'll let you down, boy.
I'm gonna use the air to wipe me down. Go ahead, Richard. There's some people up there. There's a little one. There's a little peoples.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Watch out for their Achilles. Pass me, Max.
I might have a
This thing gets thrown around by all the rocks.
It's like a ping pong ball. It's really easy. You just stand there.
Might not like this part, but
I don't think I've done this before.
Good. Go for it.
person down there.
Yeah, I know. Still move.
So far, so good. Pretty chill. Ooh, what's this sign? Nice. Whoa. Caught a little sideways right there. Whee! Sweet. Hell yeah. You.
There's just not enough tire to get over shit. Climb things like you want to. That and also just the rocks like pinging around.
They wasted the 130 travel with the 16-inch tire.
Yeah.
They should have just went full on
I think you
20-inch
could
with the...
theoretically put a C38 on it.
Would it really work?
I think so, because like the Master at least,
Yeah.
you can switch between the C40 and C38.
But would there be like clearance for the...
That's the part where I said theoretically.
You maybe have to
Electronically it would work, but yeah.
revise
You would have to do a different...
the inner part of the suspension basically.
Yeah, the slider where it attaches to the shock.
Yeah.
But this thing would be sick with the C38. I really like the suspension. It's like nice and pogo-y and soft.
Yeah. The X-Way is way better than the Extreme suspension.
Really?
Oh, way better, dude.
That makes me want one.
Way better.
I want one so bad. Roger's never taken me down that one.
No, it has not.
Roger's never taken me down that. I've been.
It's fun.
The first time I've been down.
It's a good
the
trail.
rocky side on the left.
Usually it's been
I should
closed.
have went that side.
It's been pretty closed for a while.
I like how we all just take the hard way when there's like a smooth line right there on the right. Oh, fuck me. That snuck up on me real quick. She should have told me to watch out for that. I don't think there's any snakes out here right now.
That loose end at the bottom really throws you off.
I don't know how I didn't even pedal clip there.
Dude, I had no idea it was gonna get like all rowdy.
Yeah, it's fun.
I knew it was, but I didn't.
I had no idea it was coming, and I was like, oh fuck!
Yeah, it's like I call it a firecracker because it's just fucking.
The first little one, I was just like, oh my god, you have to like be careful right here.
Can't see a goddamn thing.
Yeah.
I was thinking where Richard was, and then like he was still there when I got there. I was like, oh. Here, you want this for your goggles?
Nah,
I'll take it.
I'll do it later.
Ready?
Thank you. Here, 1 second.
I'm ready. I'm just not touching him. I can see all the spots of water, but I can see through it.
Dude, I came up so quick on that. I was like, oh, we're going up. Oh!
I had to jump up like a foot of fucking rock at one point.
Yeah, I did that one time.
Yeah.
Oh, jump!
Just like,
I like braked and I was like, uh oh, Richard's gonna run into me. I was like, no, he's fine. I'll just jump.
nah, everyone's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
I'll get close, but I'll stay around you. No, I don't mind you. I'd rather fucking kill myself than actually hit you. All right.
Ooh, that sounded fantastic.
It is so moist in this air. I can't tell if I'm hearing somebody else squeak or if it's me somehow, but I'm on a Lynx, so I don't know why I'd be squeaking. What would squeak? I'm getting wet out here right now. I don't like riding electric vehicles in the rain.
I can't see. I'm like, I put my goggles on. I can't see. Put goggles off. Can't see. Yeah.
The wheel is wet.
In my sleeves is windshield wipers.
Oh, it's dripping down my goggles. This is digging weather, not riding weather. Oh, I can barely see, dude. I'm just kind of used to how bad the visual is. Oh fuck, I forgot about this one. Oh my god.
If you want to keep going, it's all good. I just don't. They might take a while to get up there. So let's go tower. Just stop there.
Okay. I don't think it's gonna get drier. I think it might just get wetter today. It's so wet!
Roger, we take it some other way.
Are we going back to the cars?
Oh, did you get shit on your pads?
I don't know, they just keep falling off.
Oh no! Y'all, it's like, it's fucking raining! Is anyone gonna say something? Like, look how wet it is! I don't trust electric unicycles getting wet, y'all. I'm from Southern California. We usually just don't ride if it's like wet. We can just wait a day.
Alright, this part's kind of tacky.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if you know, there's a drop right here.
Yeah, I remember this trail.
I'm gonna let everyone else know. Hello. Slight tech, and there's a big drop. If you don't want to do the drop, turn right. But I would slow down before, just so you can see it and know it's there. But it's pretty quick, so. Alright. God, I'm starving.
Just a fun way. Yeah. You.
16-inch baby.
Keep going, keep going. Just go straight all the way to the bottom. God, I hate being behind people. I always popping around.
I know, right? I hate that shit.
That is fucking me up.
Oh yeah. Oh, someone's down. Oh, it was down here. Thought it was behind me. Dang, yours lasted so long too.
Yeah, that's the more chill path. This is a single track that goes down.
It's what is all this? It's water. Why? Why is there so much water?
That's right behind you. So if you take this path up, it'll lead you all the way up to the top.
We overshot it. Thank you.
Dude, it looks so crazy.
Yeah. Weird.
It's like the dust is just getting, yeah, it's because like the dust is getting on the light water. It's like creating mud on the wheel.
It leads down to the bottom.
Look how tall the bushes are. It's like a jungle.
Oh my God, there's so many.
Ah!
All right, here's the stair set of doom.
Doom? Don't we usually go this way?
Yeah, Max is doing his own to catch you out.
Now, if I remember right, there's like a turn here that's kind of, yeah, I don't like this part. Ah, that's the part I don't like. Am I recording anyway? Stop at the big lookout point. Big gap. Ugh. Oh, we can gap that too. Here's a good spot. Freaking X-Way is so noisy.
Yeah, it is. So loud.
It's crazy because it feels pretty damn good, but it's so noisy.
I gotta put more WD-40 on this bitch.
Pop the hood, give her some oil.
Yee!
She ain't leaking, or if she's leaking, she's got oil.
Now we're good again.
Still squeaky
yeah,
as fuck.
Oh my God.
You.
Dude, no way you fucking did all that shit. That's so
We always go that way.
Oh my God. Oh!
That was a good save.
Thank you. Oh.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Gabe and Brandon now.
To the right?
Yeah, because this is a big rock in the middle.
Oh yeah, it's
It
awesome.
just directs you to that rock in the middle. So you
Yeah,
have to,
it's really
get out of the
fun.
rut. It's fun.
No, do the rock.
No. It's it's just like a big boulder.
Yeah, do the rock. It's like a diving board.
Oh, is it a diving board?
You're talking about the one on the right, right? Yeah, do that. Oh, the fucking rut's terrible. Hold up, hold up.
I told you it wants to fucking just shoot you into the rut.
Yeah, I need to do it like fast. I had someone in front of me. I would probably just not go in the rut. Yeah. Ideally, you just don't go in the rut. It's never been so rutted like this. The bikes fuck it up so bad.
The drop doesn't seem that bad actually.
Nah, you just gotta try to stay out of the rut. You.
That's my first time doing that one. That was fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks worse when you are looking up from the top. This is the flow trail, so if you guys want to go fast on this, feel free. This goes all the way down to the bottom. We're gonna skip Bumblebee. This is way better, anyways.
Bumblebee 2.
This one? Yeah, you can go as fast as you want.
Go, Richard.
To the bottom. So.
Give him a little bit of space.
Oh shit! Which way?
I'm following you. Ah! You! Richard, you got a little friend on your pedal. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Got looser and run out of real estate.
Yeah.
That's not turn left.
Meow.
I saw you. I started like.
I hopped right next to you.
Oh, you took a different line. That was sick.
That was fun.
I want my jacket back on again. Ah, this is like the worst rain it's been all day. Ah. Ah. Oh fuck, dude, the visibility is so bad. Oh no, no, no. Let's go back to the cars.
Yeah, me too. I'm done. I just don't know how to get there.
I know, me either. We're all just like wet now.
I don't know how to get there.
I saw it coming and I was like, nope. I just got my
Yeah,
foot out.
that's how that was. I was like going, I got just a little bit, and the ground just started sliding. Started set sliding.
Yeah. All right.
I'm done.
I'm good now.
That was a fun ride. We can
I really regret.
we can call it now, right?
Oh my god, this is so fucking stupid. I was like, damn, it's getting kind of wet. I was like, it's fucking raining now.
It was good for like fucking 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah, let's go. Man, whose idea was to
But now
today?
it's super bad. I don't know. I'm ready to go fucking take a shower and get warm, eat something.
That's why we're headed back right now.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh,
That was cool.
The rain was stopping.
I love that we can ride in the rain with these things and not die. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, sweet. We are out of the trails. Look how wet it is. It's kind of hard to tell with the dirt, but because the dirt kind of soaks it up pretty good. But yeah, it's a wet one out here today. We're just like riding in this, and yeah, that's new to me. I don't typically do that ever, but yeah, it was a cool ride. Haven't been out to Anaheim Hills in a while. It's always nice to get eyes on all the trails again and see if they've changed or not. We didn't do like HAVOC or a waterfall. We've done a couple trails today that I've never done, and then we did a bunch of we didn't do some of the trails that we always do, but yeah, we'll save them for next time. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with us today at Anaheim Hills with all the boys. See you next time.